Hello everyone. My name is Emma, and today, I want to talk to you about something that is so important, something that can change your life: never giving up. Yes, you heard me right, never give up. Life is a journey, and like any journey, sometimes it's smooth, and other times it feels like an uphill climb. We all have dreams, and we all have goals. But let's face it, sometimes life throws challenges our way. We feel tired, we feel discouraged, and we wonder, can I really do this? But I want you to hear this loud and clear: you can do it. Never give up. Think back to when you were a baby. Do you remember trying to walk for the first time? You probably don't, but let me remind you. You wanted to walk so badly. You took a step, and then boom! You fell. And then you tried again. Did you give up? No, absolutely not. You kept trying, falling, and getting back up, and before you knew it, you were walking. Walking became second nature. You didn't stop trying because of a few falls. That's exactly how your dreams work. They may take time, and yes, there will be setbacks, but you can never give up. Keep going, even when it feels hard. Now, think about a tree. When you plant a seed, do you see a fully grown tree the next day? Of course not. You water it, you give it sunlight, and you wait. Over time, it begins to grow. Your dreams are like that seed. They take time to grow and need your patience and consistent effort. The tree doesn't stop growing just because it's not fully formed right away. Your dreams will grow, too, if you keep nurturing them with care and belief. Sometimes, things will not go according to plan. You might feel like you're failing, but failure is not the end. Failure is an opportunity to learn. Think of a scientist. Every time a scientist runs an experiment, they don't always get the result they expected. Do they give up? No. They learn from their mistakes, analyze what went wrong, and try again. Each failure teaches them something important, and each new attempt gets them closer to success. Now let's take a moment to think about someone who changed the world because he didn't give up: Thomas Edison. He is famous for inventing the light bulb, but did you know he failed over 1,000 times before succeeding? 1,000 times. Imagine that. If he had given up after the first few failures, we might still be sitting in the dark. Edison didn't let failure stop him. He learned from each failure and used it to improve his next attempt. You can do that, too. Your journey might not be easy, but every failure is a step closer to your goal. And what about Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players of all time? He said, "I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games. On 26 occasions, I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot, and I missed. I have failed over and over and over again, and that is why I succeed." Think about that for a moment. He missed thousands of shots and lost many games, but he didn't give up. He kept practicing, kept learning from his mistakes, and kept pushing forward. And because of his perseverance, he became one of the greatest athletes in history. You can do that, too. Let's talk about J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series. You probably know how popular and beloved her books are. But did you know that before her books were published, she was rejected by 12 publishers? 12 publishers. They didn't believe in her book. She was a single mother, struggling to make ends meet, and she had little to no money. But she didn't give up. She believed in her story, and she kept sending it out. Finally, one publisher said yes, and now, Harry Potter is one of the most famous book series in the world. Imagine if she had given up after the first rejection. We would never have had Harry Potter. So remember, rejection is not the end, it's just a part of the process. If J.K. Rowling had given up, the world would be a much less magical place. Now, let's talk about you. Yes, you. You have dreams, you have goals, and you can achieve them. Maybe you want to be a doctor, a teacher, a scientist, an artist, or something else. Whatever your dream is, I want you to know, it is possible. But there's something important you need to understand: your journey won't always be easy. There will be challenges. There will be moments when you feel like giving up. But in those moments, remember to keep going. Let me share a story about a man named Nick Vujicic. Nick was born without arms and legs. You might think, how can someone live a normal life without arms and legs? But Nick didn't give up. He learned to swim, he learned to type, and he even learned to surf. He travels the world and gives motivational speeches. He shows people that anything is possible if you never give up. Nick says, if I fail, I try again and again and again. You can be like Nick. You can overcome any challenge that comes your way if you keep trying. If Nick can do it, so can you. Sometimes, we all need help, and that's okay. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Your family, your friends, your teachers, they want to see you succeed. Asking for help is not a weakness, it's a strength. It shows that you are serious about your dreams and that you're willing to learn and grow. So, if you ever feel stuck or unsure, ask for help. Don't try to do everything alone. You don't have to. Now, let's talk about the power of words. Words are incredibly powerful. They can either lift you up or bring you down. When you're learning something new, like a new language or a new skill, the words you use are crucial. Choose your words wisely, and use them to encourage yourself. Start each day with positive words. Look in the mirror and say, I can do this. Say, I am learning and improving. Tell yourself, I will never give up, no matter how hard it gets. These positive words will help you feel strong and motivated to keep going. Positive words will change the way you think. They will help you believe in yourself and keep pushing forward, even when things seem tough. But negative words can hold you back. When you say, I can't do this or this is too hard, you are telling your brain to stop trying. Negative words create barriers in your mind. They make your goals seem impossible. Instead of saying, I can't, say, I will keep trying. Instead of saying, I'm bad at this, say, I'm still learning, and I will get better. Mistakes are part of learning. They don't mean you're not good enough, they mean you're getting closer to your goal. Remember, you are on a journey. It may be long, and it may be hard, but you can achieve anything if you don't give up. Every small step, every little victory counts. Keep moving forward, stay positive, and trust that you are capable of achieving your dreams. So now, I want to ask you, do you ever find yourself struggling to remember new English vocabulary? Do you study hard but still forget the words you've learned? If so, you won't want to miss my next video, or I'll share 5 tips to remember English vocabulary. Click here to watch it.